4 reasons to go plant-based. It's difficult to go anywhere these days and not hear the term plant-based. Many people, including yourself, might be wondering why make the switch. Today, let us make things easy for you and show you why going plant-based is one of the most important and impactful decisions you will ever make in your life.
Improved health. Eating a plant-based diet may prevent, halt, or even reverse many chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. Not only that, a plant-based diet can help to increase energy, improve digestion, and improve immunity.
Improved physical performance. Being on a plant-based diet has been shown to significantly improve performance by increasing energy, blood circulation, improving muscle recovery, and decreasing inflammation.
Great for the environment. A plant-based diet places a much lighter impact on the environment by using significantly less water and land, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation.
Animals will thank you. In most cases, animals aren't treated very nicely in the food production process. With so many plant-based options readily available at grocery stores and restaurants, it is easier than ever to eat plant-based and keep animals off your plate.
We hope these reasons inspire you to kick off your plant-based journey. Check out Offbeat Life for lots of great recipe ideas and much more to help you get started.